5 shot, 2 fatally at a cook shop in Hanover. Deadly attack in Gregory Park. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 5 people were shot, 2 fatally at a cook shop in Green Island, Hanover last night. The deceased have been identified by their aliases Scrappy and Pulidon, who were of Kingston addresses. They were plumbers at a construction site for a hotel development near the food establishment. It is reported that about 8 p.m., persons were eating at the restaurant when a gunman walked up and opened fire. 5 people were shot, including the operator's son. 2 of the injured persons died. A peace march was held in Green Island yesterday. There was another deadly attack by gunmen in Gregory Park, St. Catherine. A man was fatally shot and a woman wounded during an attack yesterday along Orion Drive. The deceased is O'Neill Manderson, an employee of Ibex in Portmore. The other victim, a 51-year-old woman, has been hospitalized. It is reported that the victims were at home when 2 armed men entered and opened fire on them. The 2 were rushed to hospital, where Mr. Manderson was pronounced dead. No motive has been established for the attack.